Let's get more information about your email campaigns with Mailsuite. First, install Mailsuite. If you haven't already, simply check out our quick installation video. Once a month, you will receive an email productivity report. Open the email and click Check out your report. This sends you to our email productivity report page. Alternatively, you can go directly to the Mailsuite dashboard and click Email Productivity. This page allows you to review your email activity. You can manually filter the information to show particular dates and compare them with the previous periods. This report shows you the total emails sent with a comparison to the previous period at the top of the report page, the total number of received emails and the number of senders, daily sending patterns, including the number of messages sent for each hour of the week in a timetable. Darker colors indicate more messages. Time until first open data to see how long it takes for your emails to be opened. These statistics help you plan the best day and time to send emails for better response rates. Open rates and click rates, PDF view rates, showing how many of your emails containing tracked documents have been viewed, and the average response time, indicating how long it takes you on average to respond to emails. You can also see your top interactions, showing which of your contacts you're sending emails to and receiving emails from the most. This is shown by sender or by domain, helping you to identify strong business connections. With this data, you can continuously improve your email productivity and achieve better campaign results.